Hello guys, welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen, and on today's episode we'll be making this delicious red cabbage salad at the comfort of our home. This is a vegan diet, so stay tuned as we make this easy recipe. So the first step is definitely prepping your ingredients, and for this recipe we're going to be needing very simple ingredients that you can find just outside your doorstep. So we're going to be needing carrots, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, onion, and for the onion you can either use a red onion or the white onion, and also just a quarter piece of red cabbage. But if at all you can't be able to maybe source for the red cabbage, you can definitely substitute the red cabbage to white cabbage. And also for peeling the carrots, it's just a personal opinion. You can just decide to either peel your carrots or you just let them be as they are. Okay, yes. So, and also this is also a tip for this recipe. We are going to ensure that we have maintained the perfect stripes. Okay, if you don't want your salad to be very irritating, or or to have different types of shapes, this is a secret. If at all you're using circular things, let all your ingredients be shaped in a circular way. So since ours are shaped as buttonets, as chips buttonets, that is a shape that you're going to definitely be sticking up with. So that is why we are going to chop our carrots that way. And guys, it's not an easy, it's not easy because, as you know, carrots are very hard, right? So after that we get into our half red bell pepper. And the reason as to why I never wanted to use green bell pepper for this recipe, it's because green bell peppers are not as sweet as red and yellow bell peppers. So that is why I use the red and yellow bell peppers, because when they are raw they're even sweeter. So chop the yellow bell peppers, red bell peppers, carrots, and now we go to the onion. So you just take one red onion and you chop it. If you don't have red onions, you can definitely substitute the red onions to white onions. And if at all you fear the bitterness that comes with the red onions, you can definitely soak your red onions in salty water for 30 minutes. It's going to eliminate that bad taste. Chop up your quarter red cabbage, and then we are done. So you ensure that you also take one lime. Okay, the lime is, by the way, guys, please don't do this recipe if you don't have lime, because hey, that lime is bringing a very tangy taste. It was very sweet to me. I even felt like I would have definitely used more. And then just remove out the seeds carefully and mix everything together. Imagine, even my kids enjoyed this recipe, so why should you not try out this recipe? So please try out this recipe and give me the feedback down below. Thank you so much for being here. God